Welcome back to Apple Insider. Today we're diving into one of the most iconic names in the mobile world, but this time it's reimagined for a new era. The Nokia 3310 5G. For years, the Nokia 3310 has been a symbol of durability, simplicity, and reliability. Now, with modern upgrades and 5G connectivity, it's aiming to bridge nostalgia with today's expectations. Let's explore this device feature by feature and see whether it truly carries the legendary spirit forward while also adapting to our modern digital lives. Number 1. Design and build quality. When you first hold the Nokia 3310 5G, the design immediately strikes a balance between classic nostalgia and modern minimalism. The phone doesn't attempt to mimic the glass sandwich style of today's flagships. Instead, it proudly embraces its heritage with a bold, sturdy plastic shell that feels reassuringly solid. Nokia has managed to make it slimmer than the original while still retaining that iconic rounded silhouette. The tactile buttons bring back memories of old-school texting, but they're now more refined, responsive, and subtly backlit for modern usability. The weight distribution feels perfect for one-handed use, making it both practical and comfortable. Unlike fragile premium devices, the 3310 5G invites you to use it without fear, because it is designed to withstand drops, scratches, and the rough and tumble of everyday life. The build isn't just about nostalgia, it's about practicality. The phone exudes confidence, showing that a device doesn't have to be fragile to be smart. Number 2. The display. Nokia has opted for a modestly sized screen that respects the phone's heritage while enhancing usability for modern tasks. The 3310 5G sports a bright and colorful LCD panel that is larger than the original and crisp enough for watching videos, browsing simple apps, or enjoying social media on the go. While it won't compete with flagship OLED panels, what it does offer is clarity in direct sunlight and an impressive level of sharpness for its size. Colors are vibrant enough to make casual media enjoyable, and text appears sharp, making reading messages or emails stress-free. Nokia deliberately avoided overloading the device with unnecessary visual complexity, keeping the display practical, efficient, and accessible. This screen makes sure the phone maintains its original philosophy of simplicity, while still giving you enough to stay connected in today's fast-paced digital environment. Number 3. Performance. The Nokia 3310 5G doesn't pretend to be a powerhouse, but it delivers a smooth and consistent performance that matches its purpose. Powered by a modest yet efficient processor, it handles day-to-day tasks like messaging, light browsing, social media scrolling, and calling with ease. Paired with 5G connectivity, it feels snappy when loading web pages or streaming content, especially for a phone that carries such a straightforward reputation. The interface is optimized for lightweight use, ensuring you don't face unnecessary lag or stutter during normal activities. Gaming is kept to casual titles, much like the legendary Snake game that has been given a modern upgrade, but that fits perfectly within the scope of this device. Performance here isn't about benchmarks or chasing high-end specifications. It's about reliability, consistency, and meeting the needs of someone who values efficiency over excess. Number 4. The camera. The Nokia 3310 5G features a surprisingly competent camera system considering its minimalist philosophy. The rear camera captures clear shots in daylight, offering sharpness and color accuracy that is more than enough for casual photography. It may not deliver the night mode wizardry of premium phones, but it holds its own when you just want to capture a quick memory. The front-facing camera allows for decent selfies and smooth video calls, bringing the device firmly into the modern communication era. The camera app is streamlined, avoiding unnecessary complexity, and offers basic modes like HDR, panorama, and simple filters. Nokia seems to understand that this phone isn't for photography enthusiasts, but for those who want convenience and reliability without the distraction of 100 camera features they may never use. Number 5. Battery life. This is where the Nokia 3310 5G truly shines, continuing the legendary reputation of the original. With its optimized hardware and energy-efficient display, the phone easily lasts multiple days on a single charge. Even with 5G connectivity, it prioritizes efficiency to ensure the experience remains worry-free. For light to moderate users, it isn't unrealistic to expect 2 to 3 days of battery performance, a stark contrast to modern smartphones that struggle to make it through one full day. Charging is straightforward and relatively quick, but what stands out most is the confidence of knowing your phone won't die halfway through the day. This longevity is not just convenient, it's empowering, giving users freedom from the constant anxiety of charging cables and power banks. Number 6. Software and features. The Nokia 3310 5G comes with a lightweight operating system that combines simplicity with modern touches. The interface is intuitive, uncluttered, and designed for ease of use, even for those who might be overwhelmed by overly complex smartphones. You'll find all the essentials: messaging, calls, email, basic browsing, and social media apps, alongside a few extras like music streaming, FM radio, and cloud backup support. Voice assistants and AI enhancements are present in a subtle form, not dominating the experience but helping when needed. Perhaps most importantly, the phone maintains the beloved Snake game, revamped with modern visuals, serving as both a nod to nostalgia and a delightful bonus feature. The software feels intentional, cutting through the noise and delivering only what matters. Number 7. Value for money. This is where the Nokia 3310 5G earns its biggest applause. It doesn't try to compete with premium flagships, and that's its greatest strength. Instead, it positions itself as an affordable, reliable, and iconic companion that delivers exceptional value. For those who want a secondary phone that lasts for days, a minimalistic device that reduces digital distractions, or simply a modern take on a legendary classic, the 3310 5G delivers more than expected at its price point. Its durability, practicality, and efficiency make it one of the most balanced investments in today's smartphone market. In conclusion, the Nokia 3310 5G is not just a phone. It's a statement. It's proof that simplicity still has a place in an industry that's often obsessed with excess. By blending nostalgia with modern connectivity, Nokia has created a device that respects the past while meeting the present. The design is durable yet modern, the display is practical, the performance reliable, the camera convenient, and the battery life outstanding. The software is focused and distraction-free, and the value it provides is undeniable. For anyone who wants to step away from the overwhelming complexity of today's smartphones without losing touch with the essentials of modern connectivity, the Nokia 3310 5G is a reminder that less can indeed be more. Here at Apple Insider, we believe this phone isn't just about looking back at where we came from, but about showing us an alternative path forward. The Nokia 3310 5G may not replace your flagship, but it may very well redefine how you think about what truly matters in a phone.